Hi Vogue. Just kidding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial, makeup video inspired by the Vogue makeup videos. So let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of skincare quickly. So I just like to put a headband on just to keep my hair out of the way. And then I'm going to take my spot patch off. And I'm just going to use my CeraVe cleanser. And I'm then going to use my IT Cosmetics moisturizer. I'm just brushing out my eyelash extensions. Now it's time to move on to the makeup. I am now sat down because if I had to stand up for the entirety of my makeup, I think my legs would probably die. I'm just using a MAC primer to prime my face. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because these will probably take me half an hour to do. I'm just using the Maybelline concealer to outline my eyebrows. Now that I have done my eyebrows, I am going to use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And now I'm just using the L'Oreal concealer. And now I'm using the Benefit bronzer just to contour a little bit. I should probably get like an actual contour, but at the moment I just use bronzer. And usually I would use the Fenty one, but today I just wanted to try something different and go back to my old one, which is the Benefit one. The nose contour, I just like to start off with small lines and then I can blend it all out because I need to see what I'm doing. This, I always just pray and hope that it comes out right, so wish me luck. And then I'm just going to bake my face and try and shape the contour a little bit. And I'm just going to use my IT Cosmetics blush. I love this stuff. And I always just like to put a little bit of blush or pink eyeshadow under my nose and sometimes on my chin. And I'm just going to set my makeup with the Urban Decay setting spray. And then it is time to move on to eye makeup. I'm going to use my NYX eyeliner to create a wing. And I'm now going to use my Jeffree Star eyeshadow just underneath my eye to add a little bit of colour since I am going to be wearing pink today. Then I'm going to use the Urban Decay on my bottom eyelashes only. And I'm now just going to highlight my nose, and I just like to put a little dot right at the front. I'm going to finish off my makeup by lining my lips and using the Ariana Grande Rem Beauty lipstick. And this is the complete look with my outfit. My makeup turned out pretty cute. I'm definitely getting used to having eyelash extensions, but thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.